In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-snapping clips on CapCut PC. If you're tired of CapCut forcefully pulling, snapping, or pushing your video clips together every time you try to move them around on the timeline, this is the easiest way to fix it. We're going to disable the auto-snapping feature so you can position clips more freely and make more precise edits without CapCut constantly locking them into place. Start by looking at your timeline workspace. This is the area where all your video and audio tracks are laid out. What you're looking for is the small horizontal shortcut toolbar that sits directly above the track lanes. It's located toward the right-hand side of the timeline area, so keep your eyes in that section. This toolbar contains a few quick editing controls, and one of them is the setting responsible for that snapping behavior. Once you've found that row of tools, look closely for the icon that looks like a vertical line, placed between two small horizontal arrow shapes or triangles. This is the main track magnet switch. It controls whether clips automatically snap together or align tightly when you drag them around the timeline. If the icon is currently highlighted in blue, that means auto-snapping is turned on. In other words, CapCut is actively trying to help align your clips by snapping them into position. While that can be useful in some situations, it can also make editing feel restrictive when you want more manual control. To turn it off, simply click that magnet icon one time. As soon as you do, the button should change from blue to a neutral grey color. That color change confirms that the auto-snap feature has been disabled. At that point, you're done. Your timeline will no longer automatically pull clips into place the same way, which makes it much easier to fine-tune spacing, create intentional gaps, or move clips around without fighting the editor. If you ever want the snapping behavior back later, just return to the same icon and click it again to reactivate it. That's all it takes. You located the timeline shortcut tools, found the main track magnet toggle, and turned off auto-snapping in just a few quick clicks. You're all set.